Welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet liked, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. If you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this my channel, if you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting 4 different types of playlist: trading topics, zero the features, also hedging options, features and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also a lot of strategies with the Sensibull paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in US stock market, that is also available here. You can check it out all these playlist. Let's jump into the topic. So today I would like to show that what exactly the OI profile in Sensible. Basically, OI means it's an open interest. Okay, so you know that how to log into the Sensible. If you have a Zerodha account, Demat account, Sensible is free for you guys. Okay. In my previous video, I have shown all the paper trading with the Sensible as well. You can check it out. Okay. So I have logged in here. Okay. So after logged in, once again, I will be going to the Google and will be searching the sensible.com. Let me show you again. Sensible. Okay. So after selecting the Sensible URL, you need to go for login. Since you have already logged in to the Zerodha Demat account in the Chrome browser, Sensible automatically logged in. Okay, for the first time, it will ask for you to go for authorization. If you authorize it, then you can log in directly. So our agenda is that OI profile, right? Directly I will be jump into the topic. So in order to look for the OI profile, you can see it here. Okay, just click on the watch list. You'll be automatically by default you'll be having these options: Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Sensex, and Bank. Okay, so this is a kind of a small window. You can expand this window in a full chart. Okay, I have clicked on this arrow mark. Directly it is redirected to the full chart. Now you can see I'm in a daily time frame. You can switch based on your requirement. While trading, if you want 5 minutes time frame, you can switch to 5 minutes time frame as well. I will just go back to 1 minute time frame. Okay, so there is an option called OI profile here. I'll just click on this option. Then you can see this. There are a lot of open interest profiles has been generated automatically. Okay, what this open interest profile meaning that uh, it is not a live data. I mean, there will be some delay. I mean, in a fraction of seconds, I think so. Some 30 to 40, I heard that 30 to 40 seconds delay from actual profile. If you want the live data, then you need to get some other paid version, I think so. Not insensible, some other portal, you can check it out. But this is useful for traders as well. Maybe if you don't consider the 100% live data. Okay, what is open interest? If you click on this bar, right? So if you click on this bar, there is a 25,000 strike price. You can see it here, 25,000 strike price. There is a call option, open interest, 1.12 crore call options are there. Okay, I'll just explain you what is meant by call option. And also we have a put option here. You can see we have a put option of 2.47 crores. Okay, these are the open interest of put option. So what is meant by put option? What is meant by call option? This is not a naked buy or naked put option. Okay. So what this meant is that this is the green bar, right? Whatever you are seeing, green chart. So there is a open interest of 2.47 crores. Okay, so this will become a very strong support since Nifty is above this 25,000. Now this will become a strong support for you. Okay, so based on chart also you can decide what is the support and resistance, but this will also give some idea, and this will help you to take some decisions as well. This will become strong support and resistance as well. For an example, Nifty is trading below this bar, right, the green bar, then this will become a strong resistance. Okay, since Nifty is trading above this line, this will become a stronger support now. Okay, what is the next support and resistance? I'll be going for this. These are the open interest. Okay, people, you can see this around 25,500 people as uh, you can see very less put call option open interest here. That means they are telling that stock will not go above this 25,500 strike. That's what they have made a sell option. So this is how you can say some decision. This is not based on the candlesticks. Okay, this is a open interest. The people will be sitting here with a decision that Nifty will not go below this 25,000, and some of the people are telling that Nifty will not go above this 25,500. Okay, so I'll tell you what is meant by put option and call option open interest. So basically, this 25,000, right? So 25,000, we have around 2.47 crores here. Okay, 2.47 crores means how people exactly taken a decision is that it's not a since it is showing that put means it's not a naked put option. Okay, they have made a sell option here. Sell. PE cell. I'll be going for a PE cell. Yeah, you can see this is what, sorry, this is a PE cell. Okay, so PE cell, here only directly we can get this option PE cell. They are telling that around 25,000, from 25,000 Nifty will go up. That's what their view actually. Sell means this will go up. PE cell means uh, this will go up. Okay, I hope you guys know about naked buy option and naked sell option. Buy means PE buy means Nifty will go down. PE sell means Nifty will go up. Okay, and CE buy means Nifty will go up, and CE sell means Nifty will go down. Okay, if you don't know, check out my previous videos. I have explained with a hedged option there in detail. Okay, now people are telling that Nifty will not cross below 25,000. So that's the reason they have put a PE sell option. PE sell option means from here it will go up. That's what the Nifty is doing it. If suppose this will come below 25,000 strike price, then you will be in a loss. Okay, immediately you won't be in a loss, but you can check the expiry date. Okay, the next expiry for the Nifty, it is 16th of September, right? So if Nifty stands or stayed above this 25,000 strike price, then you'll be getting a profit of 2,000 per lot. Okay, this is the amount. Okay, if Nifty moves rapidly, then you'll be getting a lot of profit as well. This is unlimited profit and unlimited loss as well. If Nifty suddenly gaps down for 200 points, then you'll be lost from this position. So better don't go for a naked buy or naked sell option also. This is not suggested. Okay, just I'm trying to explain what is open interest here. Okay, people will be taking the hedged position always. Check out my hedged videos so that you'll be coming up with a good idea what is meant by naked buy and naked sell option with the hedged positions. Okay, so now people are sitting with some hedge position only. This is some of the people taking directly this PE sell option, but some of the people sitting with a PE sell with a somewhat hedged position. Hedged position means what? I'll explain you quickly. So my wave is going up, right? So from here I'll be taking one PE buy option. Okay, you can see now my risk is kept here. Okay, my risk is only 6,000 if it is goes 1,000 points up also. Sorry, 1,000 point down also. My wave is up. So if it is goes about opposite to my direction, then I'll be in a loss of only 6,000 rupees. But what in case of only naked sell option, it is unlimited. Okay, this will be the hedge position you need to think out always. Okay, so that's what people, a lot of people are sitting here, 25,000. On expiry day, these chart will definitely going to change because they will be square up this position or closing these positions. Okay, and you can see 25,500 from here, 25,500, right? 25,500 C is sell, they made it. To avoid confusion, I will delete. So here 25,500 C is sell, that means Nifty is going down, they are telling that. So before expiry, if Nifty closed below 25,500, it will be in a full profit. Okay. So this is what this is very useful in order to take some decision while trading. Uh, People will be trading with this open interest as also, but this is not the final decision maker. Obviously, chart will be the decision maker, candlesticks, and the price action will be the final decision. You can take it, but you can take some decision whenever Nifty comes near to this strike price. Then you can take some decision that it will going to stay around 25,000 the Nifty, else it will bounce back from here. Okay, if it is crossed to 25,000 strike price, then selling pressure is more, then Nifty will be very weak, you can take some decision. Okay, so thank you, that's what I wanted to tell. If you like the videos, share and subscribe. Thank you.